Hope you're having a great Thursday. I'm meteorologist Carissa Sanford. After a round of storms early this morning, it looks like we could see some redevelopment this afternoon. A cold front pulling into the area last night, bringing us this line of showers and thunderstorms into the early morning hours. Now that the sun is up, a lot of that is starting to die down. But with that cold front continuing to slowly push southeast during the daytime, we'll see another round of showers and thunderstorms developing along that later today. Some of those storms in our very easternmost counties could pack a bit of a punch, and that's why the Storm Prediction Center has us under a slight risk of severe weather in our easternmost counties for the afternoon hours today. That includes Bloomington and much of McLean County, as well as Pontiac and areas near there as well. Damaging winds look to be the primary threat. We could also see some large hail, dangerous lightning, and pockets of heavy rainfall moving in as well. The rest of us could see one or two scattered storms during the afternoon hours too, but most of us will start to dry things out by this evening, staying dry into the overnight hours tonight and into much of Friday. In fact, we can look forward to some sunshine for much of the morning tomorrow before just a few clouds move in tomorrow afternoon. And then we'll clear things out into Saturday, so it looks like we've got a really nice weekend ahead of us. That involves some cooler temperatures. Behind the cold front, we're only in the low 70s in spots like Minneapolis and Des Moines, whereas ahead of that front at 82 in Indianapolis and 83 in St. Louis. With winds turning out of the northwest later today, we'll see that cooler air coming in, that cloud cover and chance of storms, keeping our highs today in the upper 80s and low 90s. Overnight tonight, we'll get rid of the rain. We'll start to see some clearing in our skies with cooler lows in the mid to upper 60s. And then for the next couple of days, we should stay fairly dry, nothing more than partly cloudy with highs in the mid to upper 80s. We could see a few waves of upper level energy as we get into the week next week. Our best chance with rain for those waves looks to be during the daytime on Monday, with highs right around 90 degrees at the beginning of next week. But by Wednesday, we should cool things off a few degrees and see sunshine through Thursday.